Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I've been very impressed with this new product and I thought I would do a review and demo. I'm talking about the Flower Lash Warrior Mascara. This actually reminds me of a dupe for Benefit They're Real. And I'll show you what the actual wand looks like. I like this one because it's slightly curved. So it really pulls your lashes. I have a really hard time getting mascaras to thicken and lengthen. I have really short, sparse lashes. So it's really hard for me to get a mascara, especially at the drugstore, that does the same thing that Benefit can do. And it's a very wet formula, but it works really well. I really like these spikes. It doesn't flake. I was worried that it was going to flake or it was going to be too clumpy. It hasn't been that on me. I've tested this quite a few times. I just got this like 2 weeks ago and I've used it last week. And I just got the basic black color, but I'll go ahead and try to do a demo. I've done all my makeup except for my eyelashes. And let me try the other side. And I actually got this at Walmart, so it's really cheap. I forget exactly how much it was. I'll put it in the box down below. But as you can see, it did a really good job. I have really short sparse lashes and I can't find a good mascara that isn't like 20 bucks or more that does a good job for my lashes, and I think it does a really good job for what I'm looking for. I think this is like 6 bucks or under. So I'm really liking this product. I was really impressed with this and I knew I wanted to do a video on this. I haven't seen a lot of people talk about this mascara and this is my new go-to. I will not be purchasing my Mega Plush anymore because this is a million times better than even this. So it gives you the oomph that you need. It's not clumpy. It won't flake. At least it didn't on me. I didn't have any issues with that whatsoever. And I really liked the curved part of the brush, so it's really easy to use. And I'm very impressed with this product. And if you have any questions on it, please put a comment down below. Thanks, or subscribe. Bye.